How to change FN key in Windows PowerToys. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change FN key in Windows PowerToys. So let's get started. One thing that you need to keep in mind is that PowerToys cannot remap the FN key directly, but it can help you create shortcuts or replace FN functions. For example, when you press FN key with the F3 key, it triggers the volume up. So you can simply remap that. So now let's give it a try. But first, you need to download Microsoft PowerToys. For that, you gotta head over to Microsoft Store. You gotta go to the search bar and type in PowerToys, and then you'll be able to see an install button. Click on that, and then you should see open. Click on that, and you'll be redirected to PowerToys settings. At the top, you should see a search bar. Type there Keyboard Manager. And then you gotta enable the keyboard manager. You'll be able to see a toggle button right next to it. So you gotta toggle it on. And then at the bottom of it, you'll be able to see remap a key. Click on it and then click on add key remapping. Here, click on select and then press FN with F3. As I told you before, FN pressed with F3 triggers the volume up button. So after that, you gotta click on OK. And then you can map that function to any other keys. For example, I'm going to click on, let's say, O, press OK, and then click on OK once again. Now, whenever I click on O, my volume up action will be triggered and I don't have to press FN each time. Once again, PowerToys can't change FN itself, but it lets you create custom shortcuts to do anything FN normally does. This is the safest, most practical workaround way. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I will see you in the next video.